back.
What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Family Guy. Peter offends women. Oh Jesus Christ! In this show, everyone is getting offended.
Anyway, before we get into it, please give us a subscribe, please. At the end of the video, please give us a like as well, and suggest any other video you'd like us to react to, and we will do so and give you a shout out.
A shout out.
Let's get to it.
Let's get it.
You know something? I could do better than these idiots. I should just go down to the paper and...
Whoa! What a surname.
You know something? I could do better.
What a surname.
Trevor Pravata Dumrog. Yes, that's what the fuck.
It's like a gimmick.
You know something? I could do better than these idiots. I should just go down to the paper and sell them my own.
Well, Peter, you might be underestimating the difficulty of writing a comic strip. As someone who occasionally dates the creative muse, I can vouch for the unforgiving face of a blank sheet of paper. In fact, I think it was William Faulkner who said...
I'm back. I'm published. Check it out. I call my comic For Pete's Sake because it points out things that make you shake your head and say, for Pete's sake. This one's for tomorrow.
How's your wife? She's good. She's not good. She's a vegetable.
Oh!
These are good, Peter. I like how you retell tired old gags with a detached, ironic approach.
Yeah, plus it's all brand new jokes that I'm really serious about.
Well, good for you, Peter, but how did you get published so quickly?
Yeah, the editor of the paper
Suck
owed me a
dick.
favor. I got him a picture of Spider-Man.
Why can't anyone get me a picture of the Spider-Man?
Here you go. Yeah, I got a whole subreddit of superhero thong shots.
Here's your beer, Peter.
Thanks, Jerome. What do I owe you?
Nah, you already paid me. In laughs.
I think we should see other people. What the fuck?
I do a lot of island ones.
Peter, you should do one where a baseball player can't steal second because he's on probation for drug crimes. Political.
Hey, you put an island in there, you're in business.
Hey, how about one where you draw a sock and it says "sock it to me," or maybe draw Lois taking a hot tub dump and she just says whatever.
Peter, your comic in this morning's paper is really offensive.
My dishwasher broke.
That's not funny, Peter.
Ah, you're just not getting it, Lois. See, his wife washed dishes for him.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
Ah, there you go.
Peter, you should see this. Your dishwasher cartoon has really outraged the online community.
What? Gosh, it's not like the internet to go crazy about something small and stupid.
Right. Right.
You have to apologize.
What, because of a joke?
Not just a joke, Peter. A joke that angered some bloggers.
Well, I guess this ain't the first time I got in trouble for something I said about a woman. Oh, good. We can steal.
And welcome back to The Flow. We're talking to Peter Griffin, the artist behind For Pete's Sake, which has caused outrage with a misogynistic comic. Here's a video of some outrage.
Yeah, those boos don't hurt so much because you spent 2 minutes of the last segment applauding a red velvet cake.
And if that's not bad enough, this morning's cartoon is even worse. Let's put that up.
My vacuum broke. Oh, I remember you from yesterday.
Mr. Griffin, do you really think this is an appropriate cartoon to run on Gloria Steinem's half-birthday?
You sound angry. Did one of your friends get engaged?
You have no idea how offensive you are to women, do you?
What? I love women. I bet I can name more porn stars than you. But don't tell my wife how many porn stars I know. I'll get in a lot of trouble. I know all of them. There are people who just started an hour ago, and I know them.
Oh, man, Peter. Nah, he's the one.
That was funny.
Peter's the one.
That was funny.
He's the one. I'm sorry. He's the one.
But yeah, please suggest more videos for us that we should react. Yeah. Please, I'm seeing something here. I'm seeing this. This is distracting. Jesus.
Anyway, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And suggest any other video you want us to react to.
Please.
And give us context. Let's interact. Let's talk.
Yeah.